Have you ever wondered if something as simple as a spice from your kitchen could completely change the way you manage your blood sugar? Imagine if you could take control of your diabetes naturally, without side effects, and see results in just weeks. That's exactly what we're talking about today, the extraordinary power of white cumin and fenugreek seeds to help regulate blood sugar naturally and effectively. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Alina Grace. Over the past several years, I've worked with thousands of diabetic patients, many of whom felt frustrated and helpless. They followed the doctor's orders, took their medications religiously, yet their blood sugar remained unpredictable. But what if I told you that your kitchen might be hiding two of the most powerful allies in your diabetes journey, white cumin and fenugreek seeds? These two natural ingredients, when used correctly, can support insulin function, reduce inflammation, and help stabilize blood sugar in a way that's both safe and sustainable. Today, I'm going to explain exactly how to use them, why they work, and what you need to do to get the most out of this simple, science-backed remedy. Let's begin with white cumin. This isn't your ordinary black cumin. White cumin, also known as safed zira, contains a compound called thymoquinone. Thymoquinone is a natural antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent that helps your cells become more responsive to insulin. This means that the insulin your body produces, or the insulin you take, can do its job more efficiently. White cumin also supports digestion and reduces bloating, a common problem among diabetics. Next, we have fenugreek seeds, or methidana. Fenugreek is rich in soluble fiber, which slows down the absorption of sugar in your bloodstream. This prevents blood sugar spikes after meals and keeps your glucose levels stable throughout the day. It also supports liver function and promotes the release of insulin from your pancreas. When these two seeds are combined in the right ratio, they create a synergistic effect, improving both your fasting and post-meal blood sugar levels. Here's exactly how to prepare this remedy. Take 100 grams of fenugreek seeds and 50 grams of white cumin seeds. Dry roast them gently in a pan without oil. Once they're slightly golden and aromatic, let them cool and grind them into a fine powder. Store this mixture in an airtight jar. You should take half a teaspoon after your midday meal and half a teaspoon after dinner, with lukewarm water. This routine should be followed consistently for at least 1 month. Do not increase the dose. Consistency is key, not quantity. But here's the secret most people miss. This remedy only works effectively when paired with proper lifestyle changes. That means reducing your intake of white rice, refined sugar, white flour, and fried foods. Instead, focus on a balanced plate, half vegetables, 1/4 protein, and 1/4 complex carbs like brown rice or millet. Also, move your body. A 20-minute walk after meals can significantly enhance the effectiveness of this remedy. Now let me take a moment to ask you if you're finding this information helpful so far. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your loved ones who might be struggling with diabetes. You never know whose life you might help transform. Let's come back to the remedy. What can you expect to happen when you use this for 30 days? First, you'll likely notice your fasting sugar numbers dropping slowly but steadily. Second, your digestion will improve. Third, if you suffer from joint pain or body aches, especially if you're a woman over 50, you might notice those pains becoming less intense. That's because both white cumin and fenugreek reduce internal inflammation. And if you're dealing with insulin resistance, as is common in PCOS or menopause, this remedy can help restore hormonal balance too. It's also important to track your numbers. Use a glucometer to check your fasting blood sugar in the morning, and your post-meal sugar 2 hours after eating. Keep a log for 30 days. At the end of the month, do an HbA1c test. If you see improvement, talk to your doctor. You may find that your medication dose can be reduced. But please never stop any medication on your own. Natural remedies support your treatment. They don't replace it. Let's quickly summarize everything. White cumin and fenugreek seeds are natural, safe, and affordable remedies for blood sugar control. They work best when used in the right dose, at the right time, and with the right lifestyle. Together, they help improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, support digestion, and stabilize glucose levels. So here's your action plan. Get the ingredients, roast, grind, and store the powder. Take it twice daily. Eat clean, move after meals. Track your numbers, and be consistent. That's it. Before I end this video, I want to remind you, healing is possible. You have the power to take charge of your health. Nature has given us incredible tools, we just need to know how to use them. If you found this video valuable, please share it, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more doctor-proved natural health solutions. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, I'm Dr. Alina Grace, wishing you health, healing, and happiness.